Hi everyone, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: JavaScript variables in Java programming using Java Nashorn script engine. So first of all, what is Java Nashorn? So this concept was introduced in Java in Java 8 version or JDK 1.8. So Java Nashorn is a JavaScript engine. So using this engine, we can execute JavaScript code in Java programming. So this engine, this software is embedded with JVM. So it also provides JJS command. So using JJS command, we can execute JavaScript code from command prompt. And all these scripts are executed whether in command prompt or Java programming under JVM only. So to use this Java Nashorn in Java programs, we have to use javax.script package. So under this, we have two main classes, interfaces, one interface and one class, script engine interface and script engine manager. So in script engine manager, we have get engine by name, right? So if you see the description of the script engine manager, issue this command in the command prompt. So we have get engine by name string. So this string what we have to pass here is Nashorn. It will return a script engine object. So script engine is an interface, okay, right? So here we have eval function, okay, so which is used to evaluate the JavaScript code, and we have get bindings, okay, and this get bindings, it will return a bindings object, okay, it returns a bindings interface object, right? So if you see the description of the script engine, so open the command prompt and issue this command script engine java p -p. Then here we have eval function string which takes, okay, JavaScript code directly as input parameter, and then we also have eval function with reader which takes JavaScript file as input parameter, and then we also have get bindings of int. It returns bindings object. So using bindings object, we can put the variable, we can get the variable, we can remove the variable, right? So get bindings of int. So what is this int which we are supposed to pass to the get bindings method? So we have to pass script context dot engine scope, which is available in script context interface. It is a static variable, right? So if you go to script context interface, in its description we have script context dot engine scope. So this we have to pass as a parameter to get bindings method. It returns bindings object, right? So we have to use this method, okay, script engine, script context dot engine scope. And then coming to the bindings interface. So in bindings interface, we have put method, get method, remove method, using which we can put the JavaScript variable from Java program, get the JavaScript variable in Java program which is available in JavaScript file also, and then we can remove the variable from JavaScript code, right? So coming to the description of bindings interface, so here we have put. So put string comma object variable name comma value, and then get, pass the variable name, you'll get the value, remove, pass the variable name, its corresponding value will be removed and returns that value. And we also have one more method here, contains key. So contains key means it will check name value pair as key value. So variable x 10, variable y 20. Okay. So here we also have put all method. So here we have to pass map interface object, hash map, hash table properties as input parameter. from collections, Java collections. So all those key value pairs will be set as JavaScript variables in our JavaScript code of Java programming. Right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Java Nashorn example3.java. So take a new page. So first write the comments. Program to demo JavaScript variables in Java coding. Right. So import javax.script package. Import java.io package. So I'm going to use this hello file.js. Okay. In our JavaScript Java coding. Right, so take the main class with main method and save this program in your working directory. So first let us create an object of script engine manager. SEM is equals to new script engine manager, and script engine manager object dot get engine by name. So here we have to pass Nashorn. Okay, so Nashorn as input parameter. Okay, so that Nashorn JavaScript engine will be embedded into our JavaScript program which is executed by JVM. So it returns script engine object reference SE. Right. You're using script engine object reference SE. We are going to call get bindings method, and for this we are going to pass the input parameter int. It is script context dot engine scope. Okay, fine. So these Java variables will be available in this particular engine under JVM. Right. So it will return bindings object, store that in a reference variable bind. So bind dot put A10, bind dot put B20, bind dot put message welcome to Java Nashorn. And after that, let us read the JavaScript file. So for this I'm going to use SE script engine object reference dot eval function. So here I'm passing file reader object as input parameter, and I'm reading the file hello file.js from JavaScript folder which is available in your current working directory. So this is hello file.js which is available in JS folder. Okay, which is available in our working directory. So here I'm printing print message MSG. So what is MSG we are setting? Welcome to Java Nashorn. Next, print addition % of A plus % of B. So what are A, B values? 10 plus 20. So we should get the answer as 30. Next, I'm also defining two more variables, X 100, Y 200. End of the JavaScript file. Come back to the Java coding. So after reading all the data into the Java program of JavaScript file using Java Nashorn engine, next I'm going to get X value bind dot get of X. So X value which is defined here is 100. So it will print 100. Similarly, Y value 200. After that, I'm removing A value and B value from JavaScript engine. And then again I'm printing A value bind.get A, bind.get B. So the values are not available. It will return null because the return type is object, because we have removed in line 26, line 27 from JavaScript coding which is loaded into the memory of the program by Java Nashorn engine which is available with JVM. Right, so save this program and then come to the command prompt and then run javac java nashorn example 3.java. Right, no error, and then run. Right, so initially if we get back to the program, so when you evaluate this hello file.js in Java coding, so message addition, and it will define two variables 100 and 200. So come to here, message welcome to Java Nashorn, A value plus B value, % plus % 30, and then come back to the Java program. So in Java program, we are getting X value and Y value. Okay. So X value is 100 and Y value is 200. And after that, we are removing A value and B value from JavaScript code. Removing those values, we are getting A value and B value. Okay. So when you get A value and B value, okay, what will be the values? Null, null, after removing it from the memory of JavaScript engine. So both will be null. So this is how we are supposed to work with JavaScript variables in Java programming using Java Nashorn library. So here we are using bindings interface and its corresponding methods. Put, get, and remove. Right. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.